Good afternoon, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this really unique 1963 Dodge Ramcharger clone. This is a really well-known car in Southern California. It's been featured on several Mopar blogs. This is a tribute to the Ramcharger, which was a group of cars, lightweights built by Dodge to compete in drag racing. This car has been done to a very high standard with some thoughtful adds. So it has the big, most important feature is the big Max Wedge 426 engine with the dual carbs. It has modern MSD ignition, bigger radiator, but it has power steering and disc brakes. That makes it much more usable, streetable friendly. Has a modern dual circuit with a booster. They've wrapped the booster with a heat shield so it operates better. You can see it's absolutely clean as a pin. Has front power disc brakes, rear drums, the correct alloy style wheel, the cutouts, and then a street legal semi-slick, and this is the way they looked with the two different wheels back in '63. This is how they were built. It's a dual exhaust. The story on this car, the guy who built this was a retired, hang on a second, a guy in his retirement, this was his dream to have this car built. And in this area, we're fortunate. There's some great vendors and suppliers, and he worked with all of them and created this really well done clone. So it's very streetable, drivable, California title. I'm going to close the hood. Shows it has wipers. I'm not sure if they work or not. So it has the hood pins. So it has it's a fiberglass hood, lightweight. It has the push button transmission, which is very cool. The correct style vinyl interior. You can see it's all like brand new. The push button transmission. See the door jambs are clean as a pin. So let's review. This has automatic transmission, power steering, power disc brakes. So even though it's an old school look, it definitely and it is healthy. So it has these auxiliary gauges. The gentleman the son of the builder just drove this here, I think from Tustin. So you just put it in. Put it in drive, and here we go. Power steering works really easy. So you can see the dashboard, everything's in nice condition. Gauges work, tachometer works. Here's a book the guy put together explaining exactly what the Ramcharger was all about. And what's neat on this car, it's completely restored to a high standard, but it also has all the features of the Ramcharger, the big what a beast. It isn't nice driving, but it's a beast. but it drives nice. The steering wheel, no shimmy. It behaves well, but it is powerful. So I think they said like 425 horsepower, and it feels like it. But it's comfortable. What a beast, I love it. What a great car. What fun. It idles decently, it's not crazy. Stops well, and I love the push button transmission. Just really cool. It's not a perfect car, but it's very good for what it is. So we'll get on it here. So that's an old school, fun, fast, comfortable beast. But I tell you what, mechanically, this is really good car. The steering is perfect, no shimmy. The braking is perfect. This is done exactly as it should be. Stops nice and straight. We'll put it in the garage. So again, we'll put it in reverse. So let's review. '63 Dodge 330 Ramcharger clone, really well documented local car. It's been in a bunch of write-ups in magazines and websites. It's a clear California title. It's smog exempt. It's super bitchin'. Hard to beat. Comfortable car to drive, surprisingly so. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.